In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix one AirPod Pro 3 not charging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this also works on any other different generation AirPods as well, but let's say I have my AirPods Pro 3 right here. Let's say one of them isn't charging, so I'm going to put them in. You're going to know that it's registered when the light turns on, so I'm going to put the other one in now as well, just so I can show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, they're both in now, and on my phone it shows that they're both 100%. So if I go ahead and click on them, I'll basically be able to see that they both basically have different battery health because they don't charge together. So what you want to basically do is whenever you go ahead and charge it, so let me just take these ones out right now, you want to make sure that there's nothing blocking it, because if you haven't cleaned your AirPods case in a while, there might be like a bit of tissue or anything like that in your case. So just make sure nothing is blocking the sensors to receive, the AirPods. And then just make sure it's closed properly whenever you go ahead and charge it, because if one side isn't closing properly, that could be another issue why your AirPods aren't charging properly. And then finally, just make sure your AirPods case is also charged, because if that's not charged fully, that could also be why, one side might not be receiving the signal as well as the other side. So I'm going to put them in right now, and then yeah, now it's fine. And then you can exactly just see the battery health and right here for the case as well as the AirPods. And then you can also go over to settings. So I'm going to go to settings right now, and then you're going to see your AirPods right there. So you can click there and then also get a more detailed view of your AirPods charging.